Can you freaking believe it? Hunterworks has an ATV and in the shop, and also look at the brand, Can Am. It has been years and years since we did any ATV clutching, and it's about time. And so with us wanting to start into the Can Am world, this is a vehicle that we're starting with. And so, but before we get too far along, I want to ask that you hit the subscribe button down here. It's a little red, it's kind of hard to see. Make sure you like our videos. That way, anything we do in the future, you'll be able to know about it, be notified. And also, before we get too far, Hunterworks belts. For you Can Am guys who don't know much about us, we've been making our own belts for about 4 years now, 30,000 plus. I think we're about 35,000. We actually have a belt for this Outlander 850 right here already. Have had it for a while. Just haven't been pushing the Can Am line. We've been so busy with Polaris. For any of you that may not know who Hunterworks is, we've been in business for 19 years, primarily doing clutching. Of course, we started off with a Rhino. We started in business 2003. And was one of the first people to do anything Rhino related. Quick, back in the day, if you wanted something for your Rhino, you bought it from me or one other company online. So I guess I'm one of the founding members, and as you know today, there's a million places, but we stayed in business, we treat people right, we provide good products, good services, and we'll just, trust me, we'll take care of you. So without further ado, Can Am. I've already have a 21 Can Am HD Defender. I've not been able to get it in our shop yet. I've kind of took it over personally. It's over at our farm. Use it for deer hunting. I bought this 2022 Outlander 850 the other day, strictly for Hunterworks. We will be doing clutch kits, 1,850, of course, our belts, tools, making tools, purchasing tools for resale, clutch related items, and we'll be starting with some basic videos, how to take a clutch cover off. You go, man, everybody knows how to do that. Believe it or not, they don't. Our most popular video on our Hunterworks channel has over 300,000 views on how to take a secondary clutch off. Remove bolt, slide off. That's it. But yet there are people who not very mechanical. So we're going to be doing a lot of basic videos, and then also going to try to show you that clutching for all these UTVs does not have to be complicated. A lot of people inadvertently through videos of what they sell has made this topic complicated. Maybe even I have been guilty of in the past years, but we're going to try to make it easy to understand why and what we're doing and what we're accomplishing. And so, as I like to say, we're going to be out here for the 95 percenters. The 95 percenters do not go crazy on big tires or desert racing or whatever. I mean, not that we can't handle some of that. I'm just saying it seems like a lot of videos are centered around one extreme or another, and we're going to be kind of up the middle, make it easy to understand. Anyway, I will run on all day. Please make sure that you subscribe again, like the videos, check our site out, be patient with us. Videos precede updates to websites, so give that about a month. But if we can help you in any way, Todd@hunterworks.com. Very hard to get through on our telephone here. And once again, remember, best belt on the planet. We already have one for this model, have had it, and X3s. Actually, we got them for every Can Am, I believe, that's modern today, and have had them. We're just new to you, and we would appreciate it if you consider us any of your clutching needs. Thank you.